Hey friends, what's up? It's me, Carrie. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate that you guys have been subscribing and liking my videos and sticking around, even though I'm still on a really steep learning curve in terms of recording. The talking part I'm getting better at, I think. The recording, not so much. But anyway, guys, I was going to save up a blind bag that I purchased today. It is this little guy right here. I purchased this at AC Moore. It is another one of the Disney figural key rings. I'm obsessed with these things. I went to AC Moore where they are $5.99 regular price. I used a 55% off coupon, so I got it for $2.70 plus tax, which is like amazeballs. I'm super excited. And I was going to save this up in the event that I get some more blind bags. Let me move back so you can see a little better. But as I said before, I'm on a tight budget. I'm not sure how often I'm going to be able to purchase these, and I have like literally no patience. So the thought of not having the instant gratification of getting right home and opening the bags, it's just too hard. So I'm going to make this kind of a little combo haul video. And again, this was from AC Moore. I am going to open it for you guys right now and see who we got. These guys on the back, if you didn't see my last unbagging, I guess you'd call it. These are all of the guys you can get. So far, I have gotten Exclusive A, who was Kristoff from Frozen, and I also got Scrump, who was my number 1 pick. I felt these bags, trying to see if I could determine who was in it. I'm honestly not too sure. I'm hoping for Sven. I thought I might have felt his little antlers, but of course that could have been Pumbaa's hair, or quite possibly even the edges of like Woody's cowboy hat. So we shall see how good my groping skills are today. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Pumbaa. That's okay. I kind of thought it might be Pumbaa, but you know what? He's super cute. I totally dig that he's got the little worm in his mouth. I mean, you can't go wrong with him. He's pretty much most people's favorite character, I think, from The Lion King. He's definitely mine. So I am not complaining whatsoever. He is so chubby and adorable, and I'm thrilled. So yay, Pumbaa. Next stop on my little journey around town was Big Lots, and I made one big whopping purchase at Big Lots, which was this chapstick gingerbread kiss for my lip balm collection. Now, there were, like, I'm guessing at least 30 of these in a tub, and none of them had prices on them, which I know generally I think Big Lots stuff, they do put their own price stickers on it, but it did have this UPC code, so I assumed they could ring it up because none of them had price stickers. They didn't. It didn't bring up with this. So the poor girl, I was going to get in line, and I said to the girl, you know, is your register open? She said, well, I was just going to run to the bathroom, but I can take you. I said, no, don't worry about it. Go pee. That's important. She said, no, I got it. Don't worry about it. So she rang me up, and then it didn't scan, of course. So I was like, I'm so sorry. You know, there was a ton of them. None of them had none of them had price stickers on them. So she went to look it up on the computer, and I assumed she was going to find the chapstick price, but instead she found the price of a Reese's Nutrageous candy bar or something. So she only charged me 85 cents for this, which is probably cheaper than it should have been. But, you know, I'm not going to complain. The poor girl wanted to go pee, so I'm certainly not going to say no to a bargain. So anyway, I'm super excited about this. When I open these, I do tend to tear off this plastic little tab here, so I will lose the cute Gingy, although I will try to twist it and see if I can keep it, because he's really cute. But anyway, I didn't have this one in my collection, super stoked. My next stop was the Dollar Tree. I had seen some people hauling these, and this was just put out as the new item of the week. I'm not going to pick up the camera. Well, I guess I'm going to have to pick up the camera, but anyway, this is the item. It is the grab bag shopping bag duo. You get 2, and it clips to your shopping cart. It opens up so you can actually put your groceries in the bag inside the shopping cart. Obviously, unless you do, like, Stop and Shop, I know has this thing where you can sort of scan your stuff as you go along, and you bring the scanner up to the register, and you can check out that way without having to unbag your groceries. I've never tried that, but these would be ideal for that. But even in a pinch, if you take the groceries out, you scan them, or you have the cashier scan them, you load them right back into the cart, into the bag, which is already in the cart, ready to go out to your car. You get 2, like I said, for $1, which is like phenomenal. And honestly, you can't even get typical reusable tote bags 2 for $1, I don't think. So I was thrilled to grab these. I'll probably be sorry I didn't grab more. But anyway, I wanted to try these out first and see how I like them. My last stop was at Panera, where I got myself this. This is a large iced coffee. Now, this is a great tip for you guys if you are bargain hunters like I am. If you are signed up for Panera's free rewards program, every single day for the month of June, you can have them scan your card and you can choose either a free hot coffee or a free iced coffee. So yes, people, potentially 30 free coffees in the month of June. I think this is like the 4th or 5th time I've gone, and today is the 17th of June. So obviously I've been going a couple times a week and I will continue to do so. Super bargain. I think they're normally like $2.79 regular price. And last but not least, I don't know why I'm out of breath, you guys. I have another Yummy World keychain made by Kidrobot. I have opened 2 of these so far. Here are some of the guys you can get. So far I have gotten the 3 peas in the pod there. I'm really hoping to get this. I believe it's supposed to be an iced latte with whipped cream. Initially, I thought hot chocolate, but the type of cup does indicate that it would be a cold beverage. Or I would love to get the cake pop or the deviled egg, I think would be my top choices. Or the taco would be cool. I also have the little peanut, who is super cute. I ordered this from Amazon. It's a little more expensive than in the stores. The 2 I'd previously purchased, I bought at Barnes & Noble, and I think they were $4.95 a piece. This, with shipping, because there wasn't a good priced one available with Prime, which I do have, that allows you to get free shipping. I think the total for this with the shipping came to like $7.99 or $7.98, something like that. Which, again, I would normally just wait, because when I bought my 2 at Barnes & Noble, they were the last 2 they had in stock. I was intending to wait till they restocked, but my husband got a $100 Amazon gift card as a free promotion for taking part in surveys and some sort of testing program from our cable system. So sweet. He gifted me that, which was so generous and thoughtful. So I figured, you know what? If it's $100 of somebody else's money, I don't mind paying an extra couple bucks rather than $5 of my own. So anyway, this just came in the mail. I already opened the tape part. I'm just going to kind of tear the little box open. I wish I could figure out a way to use these boxes. I mean, I let's be honest, I hoard. I'm a pack rat. I don't need to save a cardboard box. But God, the designs on them are so cute. I mean, look at how sweet that is. But anyway, if you haven't seen my previous videos or anyone else's videos on these, it comes in this super cute little Yummy World blind bag. Again, this is made by Kidrobot, and it's got the blue sky and the clouds on both sides. It does have a tear strip. So again, all right, we're thinking latte or deviled egg or cake pop would be my top 3 picks. But really, I just don't want to get a duplicate. Or the taco, which I have. He is so stinking cute. I love his little half smile, his little kind of eye roll expression. He's got meat on there and sour cream and lettuce and cheese. That's pretty much my perfect taco. If it had tomatoes on it too, I would be a happy girl. I am in love with him. These are made really well too. You get the split ring and you also get the little lobster claw clasp. So you can take it off of here if you want to. Stick it on as a zipper pull. Use it with this. What I like to do is get the little key rings. I'm going to grab this one off my purse here. I like to get these kind of attachments too. This is my scrump that I got the other day. But I like to put these on the split ring sometimes because then it just gives it a little more sturdiness if you want to clasp it onto like the metal loop on your backpack or on your handbag. Whatever you want to do. But anyway, he's so cute. These do come also with a checklist. I think his name is Flaco the Taco, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, I opened right to him. Yes, there he is. That's Flaco the Taco. So stinking cute. So far I have Flaco the Taco. I have Petey the Peanut right over there. And I have the pods. Can you see that? I'm hoping that's not too out of focus. So anyway, I will definitely be buying more of these. Yokel, the egg yolk. Well, he's named for the egg yolk, I guess, Yokel. But Yokel, the deviled egg, has to come into my life at some point. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends if you think they'd be into it. I really appreciate the support, the positive feedback, and the love from you guys. I'm not going to ever be a pro at this. I'm just a girl who, you know, enjoys sharing bargains, enjoys sharing the fun things I discover, and I'm always going to shoot from the hip. I'm never going to be polished. I'm never going to be perfect, and that's okay. It's taken me a long time to come to terms with that, and that is totally okay. Normal is boring, And I don't ever strive to be normal because I don't think it exists anyway. Anyway, before I continue to chat your ears off, guys, thank you again so much for watching. And you guys have a really great day and a beautiful weekend. And to all the fathers out there, there's a big difference to me between a father and someone who just, well, let's just say there's a difference between a father and a daddy. Any man just about could be a father. There's not a whole lot besides biological requirements involved in that. But being a daddy, manning up, loving your kids, doing right by them, that's a fabulous thing, and I applaud all the daddies out there in that world. I lost my daddy in 1999, God rest his soul. I miss him every day. I love you, Dad. To all the daddies out there doing it right, I applaud you. Have a fabulous Father's Day weekend, you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.